Adventures come in all different sizes, big or small. And like all adventures, you probably have initial plans, but if you like adventure, you're willing to change your plans. And that's what happened here today. So we initially were planning to go to McDonald's, and my son was going to buy, and our plans changed. And where we were going to eat changed. And all of it was good. It was a great experience. So I hope you enjoy this small little adventure driving in a snowstorm. The first one of January 2022. Eric, what do you think about driving in snow? This is really your first experience without chains. I'm not hearing any commentary on your part.
It's okay.
It's okay. I'm driving with my son, Eric, to McDonald's. My wife says that we're very foolish, but Eric made a good argument that I've never driven in snow, so I need to learn. And I thought, well, it's Saturday and we'll take the back roads. So we'll see what happens. Eric decided instead of going to McDonald's to go to Whataburger since there's nobody here. So here we are at Whataburger. Finally, he says. Looks a little icy here. Eric can't believe that we got to Whataburger. He gets his first taste of Whataburger. Perfect time to come in and try Whataburger.
Perfect time to try Whataburger. Hey, honey. Come down to my place. It's Whataburger makes burger.
Typically, when you've tried to come to Whataburger, what's it been like?
There's been a police detail, armed escort, with guns out front, waving us off. So,
Long lines is
Yeah.
what you're trying to say. Okay.
no, literal police. I'm not even joking.
Right. And long lines?
Yeah. So I just have to forget that.
Okay. But today,
Everyone's too cold.
yeah. Here we are. Whataburger. Getting our order.
Yep.
Eric's awesome. It's our coffee.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot about that.
All right, thank you.
Now off to the dam, Blue Springs Dam, to eat our Whataburger. So we have a speed demon in front of us. It's not being careful. Oh well. How fast are you going? 35? 45, not too bad. We're coming down a hill. On our way to our typical eating place during this COVID pandemic. We call it our restaurant on the dam. Know what to expect about the Whataburger?
It's gonna be a burger.
Just going to be a burger?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to find out soon if we make it there safely. Make this turn right here, Eric, so you got to be slow. It's good that you're going up a hill. Oh, it's closed. Keep going. It's like we have a change of plans. We're going to go up by the Lake Tacoma office and look at the lake from there. Okay, so we're now going down a hill to the near Blue Springs Lake. Here we are, Blue Springs Lake. It's pretty dry. Pretty icy road here on this road. A lot of our roads were like this. When we came to some of the main roads, they were like what you saw in the previous scenes. So still icy in some spots here. So we're coming to our new restaurant. We call it the Lake Tacoma office restaurant. Yeah, here it is, the Lake Tacoma office. Looks like a number of cars got a nice little parking lot that you can sit at the top and look at the lake. And they got the parking lot clean. So this was a good recovery, Eric. So here we are at the lake. Oh, okay, that's good. Just make sure we don't get on a patch of ice that we can't get on.
Square package here.
Okay. Is it a square hamburger or?
Just wrapped up square.
Okay, let's see what this is going to taste like. Okay, your first bite
Going
of a Whataburger. Okay.
Goodness.
And you're going to knock off a piece for me, right?
No.
What? You promised. And I paid for it too. And you said, you got me here, you said you were going to pay for breakfast. Now we're into lunch. Okay, your thoughts?
Very good.
Very good. Okay, now put that down and tell me what the fries taste like. Is it very good? How would you compare it to Big Guys? Or Five Guys, I'm sorry. Five Guys. Okay, what about the fries? Let me try a fry.
They're fine. Pretty good. I'd go to Five Guys, but the line was short here. I'd go to this over McDonald's.
All right. I am going to get ready to bite into the breakfast biscuit, which is meal number 22. Coffee's been great. I really enjoyed that. One of the things I like about this biscuit that they give is that the egg is not one of those, what do you call them, prepackaged eggs. It could be prepackaged, but it sure doesn't look like it. It looks like they cooked it up. And the biscuit is really good.
Is this a food review channel now?
Yeah. Overall, I would say our experience was so far great. We haven't made it home yet. We're being chased out by equipment. They want us out of here so they can clean that side up really nice. Because Jackson County parking areas get priority. Okay, we're on our way home. Eric's got a full stomach. He's happy. It's been a good father and son experience. And let's see if we make it home safely.
Good for every once in a while.
Eric got me out here, said he was going to buy. And then when we got to Whataburger, he said, no, that was when we were going to McDonald's. I think, what was that? Reese, it was like $16.68 for this breakfast meal, or breakfast lunch meal combo, I guess.
Deal's a deal?
I don't know, but that was a deal. Oh, I've kayaked this spot many times. Love this area for kayaking. So this is what it looks like in the wintertime. Yep, I have launched at that site. You can see some earlier videos of that. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching.